Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Django for Python into your computer. So first what you have to do, just come over into your search option and going to search for CMD, and it will rightly open your CMD prompt. And first you have to check you rightly installed Python or not. For that, type Python space dash dash call version, click enter. And you can see Python 3.1.2 is 7 is showing over here, and now you rightly installed the Python over here. And next you just need to check you rightly installed pip in your computer or not. For that you just need to type py space dash m space pip space dash dash call version. Click enter, and after you can see pip 24.3.1 is likely showing, and as you can see you are now sure that pip is installed into your computer. And now what we're going to do, we're going to install now Django. So type pip install space the Django and click enter. And after a very short I made a mistake over here. I missed the spelling over here, so I'm going to type another time pip space install and type Django, click enter. And after a short time you can see the Django is now installing into a computer. You can see that it's downloading, and now it will take some seconds to download, and you can see that successfully installed ASFRGREF. So you can see that you rightly installed Django over here, the Django 5.1.5. So yeah, this is how you can install a Django on Python in a very simple manner. You can simply now create Django project. If you want a dedicated video how you can create project in Django, I will make another video. Before that, you just need to leave a comment to the video comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.